My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Little GTO, 3 deuces and a 4-speed. That's what we've got sitting right here. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, see photos top to bottom, get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and they're all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the videos come out. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin and a little GTO. This is a genuine GTO. We have the Pontiac Historical Service documentation. I will post that on our website. And it's body off the frame restored. Now, it's not a concourse, $100,000 car. I would say it's an above average restoration, but it's got the goods. It's got the tri-power, the 4-speed, the stance. It's a cool car. I've driven this. I've probably put 20-something, 30-something miles on it. Underneath the car is better than average. They took the body off the frame, so the whole chassis was restored. The front end was all rebuilt, new ball joints, bushings, sway bar. It has the ride and handling package, so it has sway bars front and back, as well as the box control arms. So we got new shocks, new brake system. They're disc in front. They're originally drum, but now it's a new disc brake system, new brake lines, the e-brake assembly looks like it's all complete. Bottom of the motor is still clean and painted. It has a mini high torque starter. The Muncie 4-speed looks fresh. New U-joints. In back, it's got a 10-bolt posi rear end with a chrome cover. New fuel system, the tank, the straps, the sending units, the fuel lines, the fuel pump, all that's been replaced. New dual exhaust system. The frame was prepped and painted. They put the body back on the frame, new rubber body bushings. The floors are restored. It's all clean metal. It's painted black. So underneath this car is much better than most. The body and paint work, very good, not a 20 grand paint job. It shows very well. I'm standing here and it's fabulous. When you get up on it, it's a little fuzzy in spots. Maybe you could polish or wet sand it a touch more. The door handle's new. All this trim right here is original, and it's got scratches and dings on it on this trim right here. I think the rocker moldings are new. Wheel well moldings look good. The emblems are new. There is a flaw in the paint right here. There's like a circular crack right there, so something popped right there. There are some scratches in the back glass, dent in the trim. Tail panel, this is original. It's average condition. The bumper's new. The emblem's new. That emblem's new. The American Racing torque thrust wheels are brand new. It's got some beefy Cobra tires on the back here. Gives it a nice muscle car stance. They're 15-inch wheels. The upholstery is all new. Reproduction, upholstery front and back, door panels, armrests, the chrome armrest bases, that's all new. They probably should have put new cushions in the front seats. When you sit near, it kind of flattens out. You can put new cushions in and still reuse these seat covers. They're new. The headliner and visors are new. Carpet, sill plates are new. The whole dash was repainted when they painted the car, so that looks real nice. The grills are original. They're cleaned up. The headlight bezels are original. The bumper is rechromed. This is a functional ram air. This is opened up. It's got the ram air pan, it's got the tri-power, and that's a 455 motor sitting underneath it all. The distributor and wires look fresh. It's got stock manifolds, new alternator. It has power steering, new power brake system with the dual reservoir. Door jambs are real decent. The weather strip is new. Instrument panel, like I said, is real good. All the trim, the heater controls, nothing's broken or beat up. Has the original AM radio. They did put a tachometer on the column and 2 chrome gauges under the dash for oil and temperature. Big, solid, clean trunk compartment. Has the 2-piece mat with the matching tire cover. Does have a jack and a spare. This is all painted respectfully. Weather strip is soft. I'm about to start it up for you. Said I drove it. I was real happy with the way it drove. Honest to God, it shifted and ran good and stopped. And when you started off, it would start back up. It did everything like it should. I was happy with that. And just got to get the right key. There's 3 of them. It'll be the last one I try. She's just not warmed up yet. Looking at the temperature gauge, it's right at the bottom. It's cold still. So it just needs to be warmed up. We're sitting in this little room here. Don't want to let it run too long and don't want to die. I don't know if I mentioned, upgraded aluminum radiator, new fan shroud too. I assure you, as soon as it's warmed up in a minute, it runs fine. I've always thought these little sleek tail lights were mysterious and sleek. Probably not safe, but they look cool. And you have to have a tri-power. I owned one of these once without a tri-power, and everyone asked, hey, does that have the tri-power under the hood? I'd keep saying no until I went out and I bought a tri-power and had it installed, and I think that was $2,500 or $3,000, so that's already done for you. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact. We have a staff of people. They're here to answer your questions or concerns about the car, the financing, the delivery, the paperwork, the payment. However we can help you, let us know. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified first when the videos come out. I hope you enjoyed watching and come back for more. That's on camera.